Hello, we are TechnoExponent, one of the leading software development companies with expertise in PHP website development, PHP programming, and PHP dedicated resource. Our client ranges from different industries and segments. All our developers hold experience of more than 7 years in the field of web development. We combine both creativity and imagination to render 100% user-friendly and interactive web application and web solution. We take great pride in our dedicated hiring service that enables you to hire an efficient team of your choice. You have the freedom to choose an individual or a team as per your requirement who will exclusively work for you, and you will have a full control and authority over their activities. We have already gone through a requirement that you have provided. On the basis of your requirement, we want to say that Laravel is one of our preferable frameworks. So now let me tell you the reason behind why we prefer Laravel over other frameworks. Laravel is open source. The free web application PHP framework can easily develop huge and complicated web application while having code maintainability. It uses MVC pattern which ensures clarity between logic and presentation. Laravel is reliable. It has large developers community support which makes it one of the most reliable framework. It is modern as it has adopted modern PHP principles. The framework has advanced features that helps in building modern, responsive, user-friendly sites. Now let's have a quick look at our Laravel-based websites. Exam site. This is an undergoing Laravel-based website where there are two types of user, student and department. Both needs to sign up first to get the full access of the website. As we have signed up earlier, so now we will log in as a department first. So let's log in. Here one can log in by providing the email address and password, and can also log in with the Google Plus or Facebook credential. So here we will be providing the email address and the password, and then we will sign in. Once we have signed in, here you can see the home page of the department. Here you can search for the department by the keywords or by location. Here the dashboard, where you can see edit profile, test list, my projects, and log out. Through edit profile, department can change and update their profile details. From here they can make the changes. They can also change the password and their email address, and can add extra information regarding the department. These are the previous information that has been added that can be changed by edit or delete action. And here is new. Through add new, they can add new information regarding the department and can submit that. Now here comes my project. Department can create projects and test under each project. So these are the projects that has already been created by the department with the location, number of applicants who have applied for the project, number of views, date on which the project was posted, the date on which the project is going to expire, status, and action like edit or delete. On clicking add project, department can create new projects. Here they have to provide information regarding the project like the country, location, zip code, type of project, subject, skills required for the project. Here comes project details like title of the project, description, skills and knowledge needed, etc. they have to provide. And then they can upload pictures, video link related to the project, and then post the project. Similar to that, they can also create tests. These are the list of the tests that has been created. These are the introduction, time limit of the test, passing percentage of the test, the date on which the test was posted. These are the action like edit or delete. From here, one can add test under any project. On adding a test, you have to mention the test name, link of the project under which the test may fall, category, select question type, specify the time limit and passing percentage, and then can submit the test. So now we will be checking the student's profile. For that we have to log in as a student. So here we are providing the details, and now we will sign in. You can see this is the home page of the student, where student can search for the department or project by writing the keywords like department name, location, or static keywords. This is the dashboard of the student, where you can see student can edit profile. From here, student can edit or update their profile details. They can change their password as well as their email ID. Now we will search for any project from here. So let's search on the basis of location. Here comes a project on the basis of location. On clicking this, we will get into the details page of the project, from where student can either save the project or can apply for the project. For applying for the project, student need to go through a test and have to qualify the test. Once they have qualified the test, then the department of that project will get notified, and then they will contact the student regarding their admission under that project. So here in the dashboard, we can view my saved and applied project. You can see these are the project the student has applied for, and these are the project the student has saved. Second Life. This is a recently launched website, a website where one can buy video at a very nominal rate. The targeted visitors of this website are the people who has been recently released from detention. From here, customer can log in. So we are providing the login details as we have signed up earlier. So now you can see one can buy video from here. Here you can view the search option. One can search for the video on the basis of category area. So here you can get a video. On clicking this, you can get the video once you proceed and do the payment. Once the payment is done, user can view the video till 72 hours from the time of purchase and will not be allowed to buy a new one before the existing one expires. This is the account section of the user. From here, user can update profile, change their password, and can view their past orders. By clicking this, you'll get to view a map with the areas. While you click the area, you will be redirected to another page. This is an external link. From here, you can get to know regarding this area. Now let's check another website, ActCon, a marketplace website. There are two types of user, service provider and service seeker. Both need to sign up first to the site to get the full access of the website. Service seeker can search for service provider and contact them directly, or can also post a requirement. All the service provider of the same zip code will be notified. Service provider will view the requirement and send the quotation to the service seeker. Service seeker can choose among the service provider who have sent the quotation to them. Both service provider and service seeker have the option to provide reviews to each other once the job has been completed. Here comes another website, an e-commerce website. This is the clone of Flipkart. It is an undergoing website. You can see that. Here is the search area. One can search for the product by writing the keyword here. You can view the categories and the subcategories. So let's select any of the category and the subcategory here. So we have selected mobile. Here you can see on the basis of the selection of subcategory, here comes a listing of the product that can be filtered on the basis of price or brand. So now we will be selecting any of them and get into the details page of the product. So as we have selected this, here comes the details page of the product. With the reviews, write a review option, add to wish list, add to cart, multiple images of the mobile phone. So now we will be adding the product to cart. Here you can view the product is added to the cart. By clicking here, you can view the cart. Here comes your cart with the item details, quantity, price, delivery details, and the subtotal. From here you can either continue shopping or can directly place order. So if we click on place order, they are asking for your email address for secure login. Now here you have to provide the delivery address where the product needs to get delivered. Here comes your shipping address, details that you have to provide like your name, zip code, city, address, etc. From here you can review your order before the payment is done. Here comes your payment option that can be done through online payment mode, where you have to provide the details like your card number, expiry date, etc. and can pay for the product. So you can see we have huge expertise in building attractive and appealing website that leaves a lasting impression on visitors. For this, our designer uses the latest tools and technologies in front-end programming. Now here comes the reason why should you choose us. Choose from the experts. Our company consists of right mix of expertise and skill. We have around 73 employees in our company, including developer, HTML coder, designers, system analyst, project manager, tester. So you can choose from our large pool of experts. No startup or maintenance cost. We don't want any upfront payment, no hidden or extra cost included. Dedicated expertise working just for you. It's like hiring your own employee working from our offshore development center in India. Trustworthiness. At Techno Exponent, to give our best shot is our philosophy. We aim to client satisfaction. Believe in us as we believe in quality. Stay connected. You can stay connected with your team during your assigned working hour to get regular updates from the programmer. Comprehensive recruitment process. Our standard screening process includes aptitude tests, technical tests, HR round, which results in finding the best suitable expertise for your project. So thank you for hearing us and going through this video. Shall be eagerly waiting for your positive feedback.